Okay, this is video number 2, and this is for team members. So the assumption is that your team leader has already watched video number 1 and has added you as collaborator to the team repository. So now what you need to do is, first of all, make sure that the team leader has done so you can actually go to your GitHub repository and see if you're added. So you can go there, click on your name, or click over here on the settings, and then go to repositories, and you should be able to see your team project, which is added by your team member, by your team leader. So what you need to do first is create a clone of this project that is already on GitHub, and it already has all the files, and it has all the Java files and everything else that the team leader has done by watching video number 1. So go to the Eclipse, and this is what you're going to need to do. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the Git repository set. If you don't have this window, you can go to Window and Show View, click Other, and under Git, select Git repositories and Git staging, click OK, and this is what you're going to end up with. Now right over here, there is one of the icons that says clone a Git repository. So click on there. We're cloning a Git repository from GitHub. And you need to have the URL of that repository. So go to your GitHub again and click on the project that the team leader has added you to. Over here, you can actually get the link or the URL. So that's the link we need. Go to Eclipse, place it over there, and put your credentials. Click Next, and Next. I already had a project in my path, so I'll probably have to give it a different name. Let's call it PRJ. So if that happens to you, you can do that. So right over here, just change the name and give it a different name. Click Finish. Okay, now you see it over here. So this is a project that your team leader has posted, and what you want to do is basically just start working on it. So all the files that he has posted, you can see them over here under the working directory. What you want to do is really get a copy of this under your package explorer, because this is where you're used to working on Java files. So you can do that very easily. What you need to do is under package explorer, if you go to File and click Import and click on Git and choose Projects from Git, URL, that's going to be the URL for your team project under your own GitHub repository. Put in your credentials. And click Next. And this is the master branch that we want. Next. And again, I have it, so I have to name it PRJ. Or actually, I'm going to give it the same name that I had, PRJ. Oh. Okay, PRJ. Okay, click Next. And Next again, and Finish. So now I have a view of the project right over here, which is much easier for me to really start working on it. And this is a Java file I had. The next thing we're going to do is do some modification over here and change this. It's probably not happy with my setting because I don't have a package or something like that. So let's see what's going on over here. And let's try to fix that code. Okay, I'm going to leave that, guys, to you, because probably yours is fine. I just didn't run my application, so it's probably not a good job application. Okay, I'm just going to add something over here. So added a new comment and save. Right click and commit this. So go to team and commit. Added new comment. Click commit. Okay, Then I need to push that, so you can select from this menu over here. So push, and this is gonna push whatever it's supposed to go. Okay, now go back to your plug. Go back to your GitHub and double check and see if the new item, yes, it's here 21 seconds ago. So now what you're doing is actually all the changes and modifications and adds that you're doing over here on your own local repository. Once you hit commit and push, it actually gets pushed to the same place where everybody else is sharing. And if you click over here, you see that it's actually, so right on the link, this is the username of the team leader. So whatever changes you're doing right now, everybody, you will see it on that one single copy of the repository, which is the one that the team leader created. So this way you can all have exactly same notification. So please watch this video and follow all of the steps and make sure that you're up to the speed and basically following all of these steps. And then next time on Wednesday, we can actually start putting things together at the same time from all team members and work with the pull notification, so pull command. So far we only worked with commit and push. We need to also learn about pull.